Featuring both day school and boarding facilities, Ipswich Girls Grammar School is widely recognised as one of the top private schools in Queensland, Australia.
The school's 126 years old in 2018. We started in 1892 with 32 students and have grown to a population of 930. We're co-education from early education through to grade 6 and then girls only from grade 7 through to 12. The challenge that we were overcoming when we were looking for a new provider was that a lot of our devices were old and it was time for renewal. But also too, we had a disjointed pattern of IT equipment around the school, and we were seeking to identify a provider that could help us take us along the journey, to unite it all, to bring it all together and to work with us to come up with a solution that would meet our needs.
All our staff have a monitor on their desk and every classroom has a monitor. But walking around the school, they were all propped up with telephone books and they were just, it was a bit of a shambles.
We went through the process of finding a monitor, and some of the major points of the criteria were price point, and it needed to be height adjustable. And when we had a look at a range of things, the BenQ one, the fact that it just met all the criteria we needed, and again, we've had no problems with them.
As the Director of Technology here at Ipswich Girls, the benefit of working with BenQ, who is a partner that can provide a whole of school solution for our technology needs, has been that when we're looking at something new, so for example the upgrade to our hall, my first point of call now is to look at BenQ and see what they offer.
So one of the benefits with the installation of this projector is that we are able to use at over 3/4 of the stage without casting a shadow on the projector. This makes it good if you want to use it for backdrops for performances or for musicals, and we could get a nice crisp clear image from its laser that gave us the colours and brightness that we needed for the hall.
Every situation we've looked at so far, they have a solution for us. So be it a big screen hall projector or to our touch panels.
We love the BenQ board in this room, so the children love it and I love it. It works every time we turn it on, and it is always clear. The children can see their work really clearly when we put it up under a camera, or if they are using the internet, then that always works. The pens always work. It's very responsive to their handwriting when they write on the whiteboard setting.
I really like the feature where I can just pause everything and just underline keywords for the kids, really make sure that they are understanding what I'm talking about. And that works on whether I'm looking at a website or in a text document. I also like that I can project everything up onto the board, or I can just run it as a separate tablet, which just means that if I need teacher things on my laptop, I'm not juggling heaps of desktops, which is always a problem for me.
The panel behind me is in our meeting room here that we've redesigned, and one of the things that panel has done for executive meetings and other departmental meetings in the school is it's provided us with the opportunity to move seamlessly between presenters. To have multiple people right on the screen at once has allowed us to facilitate a wide range of different strategies that we use to achieve an end.
So the small laser projectors in our school were purchased for our particular requirement. We had to find a projector that could suit that installation, and the BenQ stood out with the distance we could get away from the board to install that. The laser projector for us, with the instant on, the instant off, allows our teachers to go from projection to no projection in seconds.
How crisp the image is, and not having to replace the bulbs, not having to replace the filter. We've just put them in the classroom and we can just leave them alone now. We're not having any issues with them, and that's the benefit thus far for us.
The technology options that BenQ have been able to provide the school open that scope and provide us with opportunities to connect not only with the teacher in the classroom but with people overseas, which we've done. We use the monitors that BenQ has provided to connect with people in China. We've used the devices for the teacher in the classroom to connect with their students. So it's really opened the doors for us in terms of opportunities to enhance learning.
I would definitely recommend BenQ products to other schools.
Yeah, it's definitely my go-to company at the moment.